Hello guys, welcome to this seventh video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use labels in Tkinder. Um, in Tkinder, labels are used to label attributes or widgets are used to give the label to the Tkinder window. Let's first of all let me see the how the Tkinder window looks. This is the Tkinder window. You can add labels inside this window and make it, and you can make your application. To add label to your Tkinder window, you should use the label widget or the label attribute. In order to use inside the Tkinder window, you should have the parent of the Tkinder window, which is nothing but the root key. I should use the master, which is called as a parent or a root for Tkinder library. I have used the master root, and then we can use many other options like text, background color, foreground color, and also border width. You can add anchors, you can add images, you can add bitmap, you can add cursors, etc. Let's see 5 options in this video. The first option is like text. You can give the text as your wish. Here I am going to give a text like hi, hello, welcome. This is my text. Let's see the output of this label. It's showing some error like object has no attribute label. Sorry, I have given like root dot. Root should be given inside the label. I have given outside. The root dot will be used here. That means in title and geometry, which is to give the parameters to the window itself. So we are using root dot. Inside the root we should use label. Okay, here I am giving some variable as L1, first label L1. Then there is another parameter called a pack, which is used to pack the label inside the window. Without giving this pack, we can't able to see the output. Let's see, I am not using the pack. Let's see the output of this label. Here you can't able to see any label, right? Because you didn't pack the label inside this window. In order to pack the label, you should give simple like L1 dot pack. That's it. You have packed the label inside the window. Now let's see the output. Here you have packed the label inside the window, so you can able to see the label inside the Tkinder window. This is one of the option. There is another option called background color. You can give the background color as your wish, and also you can give the hexadecimal code for the color, which is like using in HTML or CSS. You can give the hexadecimal code also here. Now just I am giving as red color. Let's see the output for this. Here the background color is changed to red color for the label. You can give as your wish. Now let we try with yellow color. Here the yellow color, and the last color we can try a little bit different called the cyan. This is the cyan color, which is also used in HTML. The another option is like giving border width. To give border width, which just want to use BD. Okay, just remember like BG for background color and BD for background width. I'm just the default BD value is 2 pixels. You can give 5 pixel, 4 pixel, as your wish. I'm just giving 4 pixel. Let's see the output. Here the width is changed to 4 pixel. You can see in the output in the tkinder window. Okay, you can give if you are not giving this BD, the default pixel will be 2 pixel. Here you can see there is some variation, right, which is just an 2 pixel. You can give 4 pixel, 10 pixel, etc. as your wish. Okay, BD 3. Next, let's see the another option called cursor. This cursor, for an example, here they have programmed in this editor, they have programmed like when I move to this portion, the arrow mark is like a I shape. When I move to this portion, the arrow mark is like the cursor is like arrow mark. When I move to this, the cursor is like hand. Okay, this is for this application we are using the cursor, that we give like cursor like. First let me give a circle. Let's see the output. Here when I move to this, the cursor is changed to circle, right? You can see in the output. Now just I'm closing this and I'm using some other cursor like a clock. Let me try with clock. When I move to this, you can see the cursor is changed to clock. Okay, let me try with another cursor, little bit different, like a heart. Let's see the output. Yeah, when I move to this label, the cursor is changing to heart shape. You can see in the video, sorry, in the output screen. Let me move to another option like bitmap. We have already seen how to add icon to the tkinder window, like using icon bitmap and giving the .ico file to it, right? Now let me give bitmap for the label, like there is many bitmap. First let me try this error bitmap. Here you can see the bitmap is like error cross. This is nothing but a cross bitmap error, that is error bitmap. There is another bitmap called info, which gives the info symbol. Here you can see the info symbol. Let me try with another example like question. Now let me try with question. Here you can see the question mark bitmap in the label. Here you can't able to see the text, right? Why? Because the bitmap is in the front of the text, so you can't able to see this text in front of it because it is back of the bitmap. Now let me remove this bitmap and see the output. How now you can able to see the text because I have removed the bitmap. Okay, let me see another option. We can see if we see another like here we can see side. By using this side option inside the pack, you can place this label either to bottom of the window or left of the window or right of the window or top of the window. Let me try this left. By giving this that is not nothing but a pack, you can able to pack the label to the left of the tkinder window. Let's see the output. Here you can see, right? Now the label is packed to the left of the window. You can't able to um, you can also able to move this to the right of the window. Let me show that one also. Uh, Here you can able to see the label to the right of the window. Okay, that's all guys. In this session we have learned 5 options for the label, and also learned how to pack the label inside the Tkinder window, and also how to move those packs, that is a label, to the left, right. You can also give top here, top and bottom. um, have a great day. One life, be happy. Stay tuned for the next video.